Sobrang saya. Hindi ko alam kung makakatulog ako mamayang gabi o sa mga susunod na araw. Parang it's all ano lang, dream pa lang to. Parang actually hinintay ko siya ng matagal. That's why I'm very emotional. Then hindi ko naisip na dadating pala siya talaga sa isang araw. Na talaga palang lahat pala tayo dito may timing, tamang timing lang. For September siguro magre-rest lang ako ng 1 to 2 weeks, and because it's very, maliit yung span ng time to prepare. It's all about parang 60 days lang. So siguro ganon, same lang, kalma. Then be strategical, and then I will talk to my team, and then of course siguro paplanuhin namin ano yung mga dapat namin gawin, ilatag from the time ng arrival sa Thailand up to the day na nag-activities, everything, and also the important events, which is the preliminary and also the coronation and closer interview.
And what was going through your mind nung napaupo ka dun sa floor, nung in-announce ka as winner?
Parang panaginip, parang totoo ba to? Parang kasi kanina, siguro if there's one thing na natutunan ko dun sa past edition ng MIQ Philippines, is just don't expect too much. Sorry, don't expect too much. Because you'll never know what happened. Lahat naman kasi deserving eh. Lahat lumaban, lahat nangarap. So, pwedeng lahat manalo. So, if you will, mag-expect ka ng too much, syempre nandun mas malaki heartache. So, pinasa Diyos ko na lang kayo na. Nung napaupo ako, ang nasabi ko talaga, at last, finally, totoo ba to?